If you have been experiencing slower hair growth, thinning edges, or your hair is stuck at the same length for years, then this recipe, this hair spray, this herbal spray is what you would use and your hair would improve. You will see a longer hair in just few months. This is one of my relatives that I introduced this herbal spray to, and she has been using it for few months, for about 6 to 7 months now. And look at her hair. This is her hair January 2025, and this is her hair this July 2026. Her hair is 1 year 6 months now. You can see how long the hair actually is for a 1 year 6 months hair, and she has been using this spray 3 to 4 times every week. And look at it, guys. Look at how long her hair is in just 1.5 years. If you use this herbal spray, I can assure you that your hair will start to grow longer and faster, because this herbal spray will create a very good environment for your hair follicles to grow even more faster. So we're going to be using 3 ingredients to make this herbal spray. The first thing we need is garlic. So I'm pouring my garlic into my boiling water that is already on the fire with low heat. So then the next thing I'll be adding is cloves. Just 1 tablespoon of cloves is enough. You're going to allow it to boil for like 1 minute. Then you'll be adding onion peels. If you are still throwing your onion peels till now, I can assure you that you need to stop throwing your onion peels. Then you allow this to boil for about 7 minutes to 10 minutes. After it has boiled, you allow it to cool. After it cooled down, the next thing you're going to be doing is sieving it out. So after sieving it out, then the herbal spray is ready for you to use. These are some of the benefits of using these ingredients in the herbal spray. Number 1, benefit of onion peels. Onion peels is rich in antioxidants. Onion peels contain antioxidants such as quercetin, which may help protect the scalp from oxidative stress. It supports healthy scalp. You can see how beautiful and dark this is looking. To show you all the nutrients from all the 3 ingredients are already inside the water. Natural compounds in onion peels may help maintain a cleaner, healthier scalp environment, which would help your hair to grow even faster and longer. A healthier scalp and hair shafts can contribute to stronger looking hair with less breakage. Number 2, garlic peels. Garlic peels contain beneficial plant compounds. Contain compounds that can help protect the scalp, support scalp health. Garlic has an antimicrobial property that may also help to keep the scalp healthy. It helps to strengthen the hair by supporting overall scalp and hair health. Then cloves. Clove is rich in antioxidants. The antioxidant is called eugenol, which can help to protect the scalp from oxidative stress. Support the scalp circulation during massage. Using clove-infused rinse while gently massaging the scalp may help increase blood flow to the area. Cloves helps to maintain a healthy scalp. Cloves have antimicrobial properties that may help support a balanced scalp environment. Using these 3 ingredients in your hair spray or in your hair routine, I can assure you that this will create a very healthy environment. And if your hair has a healthy environment, that means your hair would be growing faster. So if you use this herbal spray, within 6 months, I can assure you that you'll be able to retain so much length that you have not been able to retain before. And remember that our hair grows for about 6 inches every year. If you do not use any herbal spray or DIYs at all, you will only be retaining about 3 to 4 inch in a year by the end of the year. But if you are using herbal spray, you are using all these DIYs, you are following a very good routine for your hair, I can assure you that you will not be losing even a single inch. By the end of each year, you'll be gaining 6 inches complete without losing any inch. If you know that you want your hair to retain all of the inches that it has grown all over the whole year, then you need to incorporate this herbal spray into your hair. Thank you so much for watching the video. Remember, Auntie Shade said, beauty wey no get care, now dust go cover am. If you do not want dust to cover your hair today, then you need to incorporate this herbal spray in your hair. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to support this channel by liking this video and commenting if you are going to be trying this herbal spray. And of course, subscribe to this channel so you can see more hair care, skincare and self-care tips. See you in my next video. Bye.